Hey guys, welcome back. So let me quickly explain how you can create a netlist in Altium Designer and when you would use each method. So we have three possible methods. So let's get straight into it. So a netlist is basically a file that tells Altium which components are connected together. Uh, you need it for PCB layout, sending your design to another tool, or running simulation. Without a netlist, the PCB editor design doesn't know how things are connected. So the first method which we're gonna do, this is the most common method. Okay, so I don't save that. So first open up your schematic. Make sure the schematic document is active. Then go to the design. Hover over to the netlist. Choose netlist for project or netlist for documents. Now choosing choosing now you just select the format you need. For example, if you need ORCAD, paths, or let's say EDIF, or here we have the same. This depends on which PCB tool or software you are using. Once it's selected, so I will click on one, so PCB2, I will choose that one. Altium will now build all the netlist file with all components and connection. So now, as you can see here, it gives us a netlist files, drone.net, and we have here some files, some signal nets and that stuff. So the second method, this second method is useful if you want a more automated workflow. So open your project's output job file. Okay, so we go here, open up your project output job file. So here, click on right button on your mouse, and here you can hover over to the add new to project and then output job file. Now you need to find netlist outputs. So right here, click add new netlist output. Choose the format and data source you need. So we can go with which one? This one. So data source will be drawn this one, for example. So this is great if you regularly export the same outputs with, yeah. So now the third option is, okay, so here, sorry, here you can also choose in which, how you will export this netlist output. Now the third thing is for simulation. If you are doing a lot of simulation, it's a different process, a little bit different, not much. So open the schematic and go here to the simulate tab. and click Generate Netlist. This creates a SPICE netlist which is used for mixed signals or circuit simulation. And yeah, this is basically how you can create this netlist. So important things to know: if your schematic has errors the netlist might not generate, always check the messages panel for violations. So right here in the messages, I have bunch of violation here right now on the PCB, so I can't do properly. Okay, I will close that. I will just show you. So yeah, now in many projects, Altium automatically creates a netlist when you add a new PCB file to the project. So in short, netlist connects your schematic to the PCB, and you can create them manually or automatically, and the method depends on what you are trying to do with this export. So I hope that you find this video helpful, how to create netlists. And yeah, if you found it helpful, consider to like and subscribe. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.